So normally in a menstrual cycle, you just get one egg being produced, but the process of egg freezing would really require multiple eggs. And to get multiple eggs, we ask the woman to take stimulation, ovarian stimulation, which comes in the form of daily injections that the woman would be taught normally to do herself. And typically these hormone injections will be taken for about 2 weeks. 10 to 16 days is kind of the average time. It's injections. The medication still hasn't been developed in tablet form or suppository or any other form. It has to be daily injection under the skin. Sometimes, depending on the protocol, you may need to take more than one injection in each day. And yeah, this is something which may put off some women. Also, another thing which is important is to have some monitoring done to see how these medications are working and if the medication needs to be tweaked. And this monitoring will usually involve blood tests to check the hormone levels and ultrasound scans, which are done transvaginally to check and see the growth of the follicles and how many follicles are growing, which will then give an idea as to how many eggs and how close to being ready for the egg collection this woman is. So this medication that is given will be then adjusted based on the results, and medication instructions will be given to that woman following these tests being done.